Big data is to data what supercomputing is to computing. In the Barcelona Supercomputing Center, we investigate hardware and software for big data. We have high-performance machinery and carry out research projects that require large quantities of data. An example: climate change. Weather and climate studies are a clear case of when large amounts of data are required to make a detailed prediction. It is estimated that in 2030, worldwide data used to study climate change will reach 350 petabytes. The mathematical models used to simulate the evolution of the climate have become increasingly complex since the 60s to the present day, adding more and more variables between the elements to be considered. The Barcelona Supercomputing Center forms part of the challenge that drives the World Meteorological Organization to study climate change. In this project, thousands of years of simulations produced by 30 leading centers worldwide are analyzed. A comparison of the data provided by the different models is made, and it is contrasted with historical data and with observations coming from satellites, ocean buoys, and meteorological stations, among many other observational sources. Comparisons that give results in the form of more data. Every time a model reproduces the global changes in a single decade, it generates between 135 terabytes and 5 petabytes of data, depending on the model resolution. To run the simulation of 10 years at a standard resolution requires about 150,000 CPU hours. This research could not be done without a network of high-performance computing platforms. Repositories distributed across the planet store the data generated by the different centers, and supercomputers spread across the world run the simulations. Big data and supercomputing, essential allies for research based on large quantities of data.